Hello and welcome to Pacbrake's install video series. Today we will be installing the HP10212 amp air spring kit on a 2012 Ford F150 4-wheel drive. The installation of this kit is applicable to all 2004 to 2014 F150 4-wheel drives. The estimated install time for this kit is around 1.5 hours, but you may be able to complete it much quicker depending on your mechanical experience. Please read the install manual that came with your kit carefully before conducting the installation, as this video is by no means a replacement to the manual. You can find your install manual and more at pacbrake.com/HP10212. Let's get started. Before we begin the installation, we will assemble the air spring. Fasten the NPT air fittings. Place the roll plates, then fasten the top bracket with the included countersunk screws. The top brackets have a driver and passenger side. In this video, the left air spring is the driver side and the right air spring is the passenger. Torque the screws to 20 foot-pounds. On 2009 to 2014 models, assemble the bottom bracket as shown with the included cap screws, washers, and nylon locking nuts. Torque the nuts to 20 foot-pounds. On 2004 to 2008 models, leave the bracket as shown on the right. Insert the long carriage bolts into the bottom brackets. The left bracket is the driver's side and the right is the passenger. Pay close attention to where the carriage bolts are inserted and note the shorter length bolt on the passenger bracket. The first step to the installation is to park your vehicle on a level surface, raising and supporting the rear axle onto 2 jack stands, and removing the rear wheels. Next, remove both bump stops by removing the hex bolt. On 2004 to 2008 models, replace the factory clip-on nut included in the kit. Since our vehicle is a 2012, we will skip this step. Fasten the frame bracket with the included Allen bolts. Torque the bolt to 38 foot-pounds. The frame brackets have a driver and passenger side. Ensure it is installed correctly with the slotted groove pointing to the front of the vehicle. Install the air springs onto the truck, fastening them to the frame bracket with the included cap screws, washers, and nylon locking nuts. Cut off the excess length of emergency brake cable bracket bolt down to the base of the bracket. Raise the truck frame by jacking on the tow hitch to create more clearance for installing the bottom brackets. Ensure the side with the narrow flange faces inward. Insert the clamp bars onto the carriage bolts and fasten them down with the included washers and nylon locking nuts. Place the roll plates on the bottom of the air spring and lower the vehicle just enough to close the gap. Fasten the air spring to the bottom bracket using the adjustment plate with the included washers, hex bolt, and lock washers. To install the heat shield, bend the tabs as shown. Attach the heat shield to the exhaust pipe by using the hose clamps to secure the bent tabs. Install the airline to the vehicle through the license plate mounting holes. Sandwich the Schrader valve by using the included hex nut and flat washers and route the air lines to the air springs. Perform a leak test to ensure the air fitting is fastened airtight. Inflate the air spring and spray soapy water over the fitting and observe no bubbling occurs. In this demonstration, if bubbling occurs, tighten the air fitting until the bubbling stops and wipe the area dry. Spray soapy water again to ensure it is airtight. Congratulations! You've just completed the install of your amp air spring kit. If you have questions or concerns, please contact Pacbrake at 1-800-663-0096 to talk to one of our qualified customer support team reps, or visit our website at www.pacbrake.com, which has all the technical support you'll need. Don't forget to register your warranty with us to take advantage of the lifetime warranty on your air springs. For your additional air needs, you can also upgrade your system with amp air springs control, air compressors, or air tanks. To stay up to date on all Pacbrake products, like and subscribe to our channel below. Thanks for watching.